Okay, so this is a video for a Forward Ranger PJ 2008 model. So the aircon, we had a mouse find its way into there. So lucky you don't have to see that, but it was pretty disgusting. A mouse was all in there. But that's the aircon fan, and we just had to pull out to clean it and get the actual rat out because it was going to smell like gross. It was actually already starting to smell gross. We had to spray it with perfume to get rid of the smell before we put it back in. But it's pretty much just 3 screws to get it out. Those 3 there. Take off this side cover, which is just one. Where are we there? 1 bolt or nut, plastic nut. So that goes up in there. 3 bolts, just got to make sure it goes back on the right way. But we cleaned all inside there too, because a mouse it was, sorry, not a rat, had gotten in there and jammed up into the fan. We turned the fan on, it was making big clunking noises. It sounded a bit heavier than a leaf. Normally you get leaves stuck in there, but there's a mouse in there. We just moved out away from the city, so yeah, in the bush. It's to be expected. I have to put some fly screen on the intake so it can happen again. But anyway, that's it. 3 bolts, that's the motor, just 1 plug there you have to take out. So that's a Forward PJ Ranger 2008 model. Alright, hope this helps. Have a good day.